and welcome back, everybody. If you want to see when you have started following someone on Instagram and you want to see the date when you did so, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process for that. So let's just get started. So, for that, you can start by opening up the Instagram application for that. Open it up, you can tap on it to access the Instagram application and log in if you have not logged in into your account yet. Once you do so, what you may do is you may head over and go to the profile. So you can go over to your profile in the bottom right corner, and from here you can go over and access your following. So look out for the following option from your main profile page and tap on it, and there you will be finding the list of following. So go over to one of the profiles and tap on it, and once you tap on it, their profile page opens up like this. Now what you may do is from here look out for the three dot in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. After you tap on it here, you will be finding different options available. So select the option called See Shared Activity in order to find the date you followed them. So tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you will be finding all of the details about who, when you started following and whom you followed. So you can see that person particularly followed you in that year, and similarly you also follow that person in that year. This feature will show you details about your connection, including the date that you begin following each other. You can look out for those, and the following date will be shown on your screen. Apart from that, you can look out for tags, likes, and comments, etc. as well in your following messages, view profile, etc. You can just go over and look out for that, and that's it. So therefore, if you'd like to go over and see someone's when you started following someone, you may just head over and follow up these steps for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.